Unlock the ultimate fan experience and connect directly with your favorite artists by creating a Weverse account. First, head to the Weverse website or download the Weverse app from your device's app store. Once you're there, look for the Signup or Join button. In most cases, you'll see prominent options like Sign Up or Get Started. Tap on that to begin your journey. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a strong, secure password that you'll remember. Then, you'll need to create a unique username. This is how other fans and even artists might see you. So pick something you like. After entering your details, Weverse will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your email inbox and locate the Weverse email inside. You'll find a confirmation link. Click on this link to verify your email address and proceed. Once your email is verified, you'll be guided to set up your profile. This is your chance to personalize your fan identity. You can upload a profile picture that represents you, choose a display name or nickname, and even write a short bio to share a bit about yourself and your favorite artists. Congratulations, you've now created your Weverse account. You're all set to explore artist communities, engage in fan discussions, access exclusive content like behind-the-scenes videos and live streams, and directly interact with your idols. Dive in and start connecting.